Hey, I'm Fish. Welcome to my show. This section just has become the busiest section in the world. Oh, I'll make the other section just as popular, as you can see. Time to go find another spot. Should be nobody by this table. They all love down over there where I'm at. Now, what I love about my camera, I love making videos. I love sharing a video a day. You don't know that saying. You're not even in the right generation to understand that saying. An apple a day keeps the doc away. Again, I gotta go find another spot. People just love dropping right over here. I had to switch off of horizon balance because every time you go near the camera, it reacts and it may level out. I also turned off orientation lock. I gotta move. Maybe this table's better. I got a freighter coming in. Oh man, I wonder what's on it. I wonder if my item is on that freighter. And that's gonna make this town busy. Time me to pack up and get out going. Well, I guess you know the saying I hardly say anymore. I said a lot, shared a lot, showed a lot. You know that saying. I can't even remember what I said. Tree blocks the house view. Whole tree down. Oh, I know I know what I wanted to say. I want to find something that I could block the wind. Well, I'm Fish. See you on the next video.